How to fix SSD not showing in disk management. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about SSD not showing in disk management. So let's get started. First of all, you have to try restarting the system before following those steps for the possible issues resolution. Rebooting can fix the various problems by refreshing the windows and clearing the cache. First of all, you have to check the cables and connections. SSD connects to the motherboard through the SATA cable. If cables are damaged, SSD may not be detected. Connect the SSD with a different cable to rule out the cable issue, and some SSDs like M.2 are not cable connected but inserted into the slot on the motherboard. Try installing on a different computer to check for recognition, and also update the storage controller drivers. Right-click on the Start menu, choose the Device Manager, and find the storage controllers. Right-click and select on Update Driver. Choose Search for updated driver software automatically, and Windows will look for the newest drivers on your computer and online. Reboot after installing the new drivers. Then start the SSD in the disk management. Connect the SSD to the computer. Launch disk management by right-clicking the Start menu and pick Disk Management. If SSD is not initialized, it will show as not initialized. Right-click and choose Initialize Disk and click on after choosing a partition format between the MBR and GPT. Then right-click on the SSD, choose New Simple Volume and follow the wizard to assign a drive letter. Note that SSD could be offline. Right-click it and choose Online to make it active, and run Hardware and Device Troubleshooter. Right-click the Start menu and choose Windows PowerShell admin to open it. Type msdt.exe, device diagnostic, and press enter. Click Next to finish the scanning and repairing. And when dealing with the SSD not showing up issue in the Windows 10, we've discussed several solutions, so you should now resolve it easily. So this was all about it. This is how you can fix SSD not showing. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.